Hello, and welcome to What's New in Ideate Explorer for the May 2019 release. My name is Richard Taylor with Ideate Software, and thanks for joining me today for this short update video. This video is designed for existing Ideate Explorer customers and covers the new features and benefits found within this May 2019 release. Revit version 2020 became publicly available in April 2019. Not only is Ideate Explorer for Revit 2020 now available, but please be aware that there are also meaningful improvements made to Ideate Explorer versions 2017, 2018, and 2019. The May 2019 release of Ideate Explorer impacts versions for Revit 2017 through 2020, as shown here. Remember to update your existing versions to access these improvements. This video covers improvements made to both the May 2019 and November 2018 updates. You can review your installed Ideate Explorer versions by selecting the Check for Updates option on the Ideate Explorer pull-down menu. All the changes mentioned in this video apply to Revit 2017, Revit 2018, Revit 2019, and Revit 2020, unless otherwise noted. You asked for the ability to export the project warnings to Excel. Ideate Explorer now has the ability to view the warning details similar to the View Element Details option under the Explore and Navigate tabs. The View Warnings details will list a detailed view of the entire project's warnings, listing information by category, family, type, element ID, and created by properties. This information can easily be exported to Excel for review by choosing the Export option on the dialog. We continue to enhance our Ideate Warnings Manager within Ideate Explorer. One of the top requested features is the ability to quickly fix very common warnings within the Ideate Explorer interface. You can now choose to retain originals or retain latest when reviewing the identical instances warnings. Simply right-click on the top-level warning type when reviewing warnings when the Sort By option is set to types. The Retain Originals or Retain Latest selections are based on the element ID. When you choose either Retain Originals or Retain Latest, Ideate Delete within Ideate Explorer is activated. This will allow you to review and confirm the elements you wish to remove. You asked for the keynotes to be organized by the type of keynote. This can be element, material, or user. Ideate Explorer within the Explore tab will now automatically organize the keynote listings by element, material, or user nodes. As part of your model review process, it is now easier to identify the types of keynotes used. For example, if your office has a policy against the use of user keynotes, they will now be much easier to identify and sort out using Ideate Explorer. You've requested that Ideate Explorer reflect all the elements in the Revit model. In Ideate Explorer 2020, we've added support for new Revit element types like the path of travel lines and PDF support within images. We also have additional direct shape support for elements created via Rhino or SAT geometry. You've requested greater access to more of the Revit information, including MEP fabrication parts. Using Ideate Query, you can select MEP fabrication parts based on hard-to-access Revit properties such as service type, offset, installation specification, created by, last updated by, space name or number, assembly name, and more. You can also use Ideate Query to select elements based on their pin status. In addition to these great improvements for the May 2019 release, we released an update to Ideate Explorer in November 2018. We made many improvements to the Warnings Manager user interface, such as adding metric data that defines a warning threshold within the project. We also added the ability to manage and edit the ranking files right within the Ideate Explorer interface. Be sure to familiarize yourself with these important updates too. We are only able to maintain our quality through your excellent communication with our team. If you have a moment, please do send us your requests. You can do this through the Help menu as shown. Even if you need more information in our help file, we would like to know, so be sure to drop us a line. There are two ways to access this new release. From within the Ideate Explorer application, you can find updates via the Help menu as shown. You can also download all our software from www.ideatesoftware.com/download. When you subscribe with Ideate Software, you have access to solutions that work with the current Revit version plus the 3 earlier versions. You also have access to point release improvements that we make throughout your subscription period. If you have any support-related questions or in need of a new or updated network license file, be sure to email us at support@ideatesoftware.com. Be sure to review our in-product and online help files for detailed information on how to make the most of Ideate Explorer, including detailed information on the Ideate Warnings Manager or Ideate Query. For more information on Ideate software, including online training, recorded videos, and upcoming events, please visit us online at ideatesoftware.com. We continually strive to listen to our customers and make updates to our software that are meaningful, efficient, and solve customer problems. We hope you enjoy these improvements to Ideate Explorer for the May 2019 release. Thanks for watching What's New in Ideate Explorer for the May 2019 release. For any questions related to Ideate software pricing, contact your local sales partner or email us at sales@ideatesoftware.com. I'm Richard Taylor. Thanks for watching.